A very good day to all of you students. Student Ram Setu or Rama's Bridge is a causeway that is created across the sea connecting Pamban Island in Tamil Nadu to Mannar Island in Sri Lanka. Students, scientific study have determined that Park Strait is a natural bridge formed by limestone shoals. However, the Hindu religious theories believe that it is the bridge constructed by Lord Ram and his Vanar monkey army, as mentioned in the epic Ramayana. Surprisingly, this causeway is visible from an aerial view even to this day. Lord Ram had to construct this bridge to reach Sri Lanka as his wife Sita was kidnapped and was imprisoned there. Surprisingly, the time of Ramayana 5000 BCE and the carbon analysis of the bridge sync properly. It is said that Ram's bridge was above the sea level. Even some historical records suggest that it was walkable till the 15th century. Even the estimate depth is around 3.30 feet in the area of this causeway. Ram Setu is also called as Adam's Bridge, Nala Setu, and Setuban. Ram Setu, as it was built by Ram and his army. It is said that Nala Setu, because it was Nala who was the architect, designed the bridge in Ramayana. Student, the name Adam's Bridge came from some ancient Islamic text referring to the Adam's peak in Sri Lanka, and Adam is supposed to fallen in this part of earth. Students, scientific studies reveal that it is a linear sequence of coral reefs or the limestone reefs. According to science, it is naturally formed causeway which connects the Pamban Island to Mannar Island. The water here is shallow with the level of depth varying at certain points. So ships from India have to take another round about route to reach Sri Lanka. Student, the study of oceanography suggests that the bridge is 7000 years old. Interestingly, the carbon dating of beaches near Dhanushkodi and Mannar Island sync with the date of Ramayana. Setu Samundram project is proposed bridge to build over the Park Strait. The idea is to have a shortcut route from Pamban Island to Mannar Island in Sri Lanka. And student, Ramayana mentioned that Setu Bandh was constructed with floating stones. Surprisingly, such floating stones are scattered across the Rameshwar even to this day. Scientific theory suggests that some volcanic rocks do float in water. This might explain linear formation of rocks which forms this bridge. Student, if we think it as a man-made, is rather interesting. It is believed that Ram Setu was once above the sea level. The rise of sea level over the years has submerged this causeway. And student, if we think as a natural perspective, it is rather exciting to see such a long formation of reefs which have existed for so many years. Student, I have told you some facts of Ram Setu. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.